Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm so happy to be here today. Today we are gonna talk about skin colors, one of the most important things in digital art and one of the hardest. So make sure to listen and try with me as I am going to teach you how to create skin color. So in this video I'm using a basic color palette and it's pink, yellow, red and green. In this video you can see that first I use pink color to draw a shape for my sketch and try to find my areas to put my other colors. So after making a shape with my pink color, I start to add another colors too, like red and green and yellow. These colors are so important to be in skin color. As you can see, I use red color first to add some details to the pink color, and I colorize the areas that are have a blood pressure or they have a lot of red color, like nose, uh, eyes area or lips, or of course elbows and cheeks, I think. So afterwards I start to add another color, green, for basically more for shadow parts, because it's very artistic to use great color for your shadows, because um, shadows are so different than light lights. So in this video I use green color to add shadows in my skin, and of course a lot of areas in body that has a green color, like neck or chin, or some areas on the arms. And of course afterwards I add red I mean yellow color to the areas that are different than other areas, like yellow, green and red colors, because in lighting your character you have to add some yellow color to your light too, because it's kind of unrealistic to have all white color to demonstrate light and show how your character looks like in a spotlight. But if you use some colors in your light, and if you don't use any full white color, you can see that your character looks more realistic and artistic. So a few things that I have to mention is that just to have this color palette and use them together to try and study more about skin color. If you try few times with this color palette and may kind of, if you mess up or you do what it's not what it have to look like, you can see that where your problem is, because in these situations The only thing that can help you is to practice and have a happy motivation about your work, and use bright colors and some tools to make it even more beautiful. Thank you for watching. I'm Mahdi, and goodbye.